Morning, my name is Zeke and I am High Chief of the Cannibal Bike Crew. And I'm hanging out today at Level Up Bike Shop along with Billy Busby and a few of our friends, because today we're gonna try and make a homemade electrolyte solution, also known as a Pedialyte or Gatorade for those of you that are hungover this morning. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get some normal household ingredients and we're gonna see if we can make something that might actually help us, not cost too much and just may be fun to do. So what we're gonna start with is we got a tea kettle here because we're gonna boil some water, get it nice and hot. We're gonna get good old fashioned plain salt, sodium. We've got two different flavors of Kool-Aid here, and we're gonna go with the old tried and true mixed berry and black cherry. Of course, we've got some measuring spoons. Then to put our electrolyte solution in. And of course, the star of the hour is gonna be some good old fashioned Arm & Hammer baking soda. Your mom probably still has a box of it in the fridge so that it takes all those nasty smells out. So the reason that baking soda, Arm & Hammer baking soda is such a great ingredient for the electrolytes is because it's made up of two chemicals, sodium and bicarbonate. Those two minerals, when they're absorbed in your body, break down and help create these minerals in your body that help carry an electrical charge in your system. So those electrical charges help stuff like your muscles contract. It helps you from cramping up. So because of that, we're gonna use a pinch of Arm & Hammer baking soda and see if this thing's gonna help us out. While we're waiting for our water to boil, we're gonna go ahead and mix our dry ingredients into the bottle first, and that way it'll help once we get really going here. A whole teaspoon of salt. Let's go with mixed berry. Sodium bicarbonate or baking soda, half of it is sodium. So that's what also makes it a very good reason to add to the electrolytes. We're adding salt because salt's a flavor enhancer. So the sodium in the sodium bicarbonate is doing most of the heavy lifting here. And we're gonna add a tablespoon. Now granted, I was reading, you don't wanna consume a lot of this because it is like eating a lot of salt. Okay guys, so we've chilled these drinks for a little bit, make sure they're not too hot. We got Billy Busby, the man who's behind the camera, and we have Carlos Trevino, the owner of Level Up Bike Shop, the shop we're in right now. So we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna pour a little bit of this in here for me and for Billy. There's ice in it. Sure. Try that. You go ahead and try that. And let Billy give the first shot.
That is very salty.
Oh.
It's like drinking ocean water.
Carlos, why don't you give that a swing?
Yeah, you're right.
It's like blue ocean water.
It's not that bad actually.
It's not bad.
It's not bad at all. I think if it was colder, it'd be a lot better.
You know what? It's not bad. So we've brought from the corner store across the street some good old fashioned regular white cane sugar. So in conclusion, hot water, teaspoon of salt, tablespoon of Arm & Hammer baking soda, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and Kool-Aid of your choice. Mix it up, throw it on ice. You may have some of the best electrolytes that you've made in your life.